Right, this is the Freedom Ace CDC series Garrett, and we're going to use this bad boy to find Dave's lost key so he doesn't lose his job. He's watching some lady's house, lost the key in the grass, and now we're going to go find it. All right, let's check it out. You've got to unloosen this bolt here, just twist it, and then you're going to unhook this cable here. And you just twist it to loosen it, and then this box just pulls straight out, and that's how you do it. We're going to show you how to put the batteries in a second.
Takes 3 9-volt batteries.
Oh.
These are 2. I hope they'll work. They're new, but they haven't been used.
Well, I've got
If you have another one, then we'll work it.
All right, so let me get that, and we're going to put it together.
Go get
right
your
back.
battery, and we'll put this together.
All right, and Bob's going to show us how to use this.
Yeah.
Go on.
Is that a new one?
All right, show us how it works. Man, you took it apart and didn't even show me.
Yep. Let's get this one in first.
Okay, so let's see how you do it.
It takes 3 batteries.
All right.
I don't have my glasses.
Let me
on.
see. Let me see, Bob.
Snap
So,
it in.
I see.
They all snap in the same way. Start in the back. It's easier.
You think so?
Yeah. It's harder, but you got to get that. There
All
you
right,
go.
there's
Okay.
one.
There's the next one. Put the next one in.
Okay, it's going to go like
It's going to go
this.
the same way.
So you got to make sure you get the
It just
the
snaps once
contacts
it's
right.
in there. There you go. Okay, and then the
one
last
more.
one.
And so you see those, we got to get those right.
Yeah, it's going to be the same.
Okay, so I got to go this way. And, all right, so Bob, you pulled this out
Okay.
of here, right?
Yeah.
That just slides
Now
out?
we just tighten this up like this. That just holds the batteries. Okay.
Okay, so
and then
that's tight.
and we take it, and this is going to hook up to this in the final.
Eventually.
In the final.
right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to slide it back in,
Okay,
and it's going to catch like that.
all right.
And then we're going to tighten it up with this.
Okay, we got to do that.
There we go. That just catches it so it won't slide back out again.
Okay, and this is called a Garrett Freedom Ace CDC series.
Garrett is your number one.
All right, so you got to check. Let me see the bottom of that.
Yeah.
All right, so you got to make sure you get them out.
and
goes
it'll
this way.
eventually fit
Yeah, I
in,
think it
Dave.
goes just like
There's
that.
a little thing on the side.
You just keep turning it, and it'll.
See that right there?
it'll
So it's got to
pop.
go right there.
Yeah, it's a wider. It's
It'll
a
pop
narrow.
once you get it right. I think you got it.
All right.
You got it?
Now tighten it up.
All right, so that's that.
And then we're going to cross our fingers. Now let's see if it's going to work. If it's going to work.
So what do you do to turn it on?
It's going to work.
It's going to work.
Yeah. It's
All right,
gonna work.
Bobby.
That's it.
So the sensor-
I
So
had-
tell me what you did.
The most sensitive.
Yeah, I make it the most sensitive, okay?
a 9.
And then you'll have to adjust it back, and this is the volume, okay, for it. Hill, let's check something.
Yeah, let's put something down there.
Okay.
Okay, so we got the keys
Now,
down
I'm
there.
going around, I'm looking for it. Okay, nothing. Oh, there it is.
A little bit of delay there.
Wait a minute, hold on. Maybe I have it too. I'm gonna back off. I might have it too sensitive.
There we go. Now it's working.
No?
Shit, that works.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
good.
now we got it. We probably have the right sensitivity.
Good.
So what you're going to have to do is start like this.
Yeah,
and-
slowly.
And you just keep going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Oh, picking up something.
I was
Picking up
before you
something.
even got there.
Picking up something.
All right, so it's definitely going to work.
Actually, it's
Okay,
better when
I
it's
lowered
on
it.
higher.
I lowered it, yeah.
Actually, it's better.
So
than
you
high
brought it
sense.
down a little bit.
4, 5. It's on 5.
I'm going to take this.
And you can put headphones on it too, huh?
Yeah. I used to use this at the beach.
All right, so it's definitely working. All right, Bob.
You're going to have little false things take place.
Yeah.
But that's it.
Yeah. Oh,
I used to find, I lived next to the Holiday Inn on the beach, and on
Oh, of
Monday,
course.
after the weekend, I'd go out.
early.
Yeah, and I'd end up finding $5 or $6, always,
Yeah,
in
really?
coins.
No
Really?
diamonds, no
So,
gold.
to turn it off, you go, excuse me, this is off
Yeah,
right
that's
here.
off, okay.
Yeah, let me set it back on 5 or
5.
6.
Off
yeah.
is over. How do you do it? Oh, okay, so
Nails.
it's off there.
Yeah, pull tabs, bottle caps, nails. Let's try. I think maybe we lower it. Might even be
Yeah,
better.
that's right. Smaller the object.
Yeah.
All right, let's go try it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go see if we can find Dave's key.
Well, it's going crazy right now.
Yeah, well, that's okay. Yeah, you have to be flat, Dave. Yeah, this has to be perfectly flat. Now, back it off. It's too sensitive.
That's turning it up. He wanted to go lower number.
No, there we go. See, now it's- what? Okay, wait. Okay, there we go.
All right, get it.
Hold it.
The ground. So if there's a pipe down there, a little faster with your movement and shorter strokes. Uh-oh. Now go back and forth this way. You zero it in to make sure that it's not false. Now it'll be a stronger signal.
Yeah, it's definitely.
It'll be
This
a
is
stronger,
kind of a weak.
It'll be a stronger signal because it's sitting on the surface.
Whoop.
Try it again. Try it again.
That's a good signal there.
Try it again. Keep going. And they'll go back and forth. In other words, you do an X to zero it in.
Yeah.
I don't think so. I don't think so. It's just a single key, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's an ordinary size key.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, this is near the edge where it might be a sprinkler.
Yeah.
Like where I heard the key hit
Hit the
pavement,
metal.
and then maybe it bounced. But this is the
Getting
track.
close.
This grass is thick.
Wait a minute.
We found it.
What?
It was like that. It was pointing up. I could see it.
Is that
How
it?
did we miss it? Yeah.
Grab it.
How to get it? Oh, it was in my right hand.
Hey, success, Bob. Success, Dave. Give him a hug.
There we go.
These are the key finders. If you've lost your key, call Bob. He will find it.
Hold on to yours
Yeah.
now.
Now what I do, Dave, is I take the battery
Dang.
out
Yeah, so that
so
it'll
that
go
it
bad.
doesn't wear out.
Yeah.
Okay,
that's
so-
a good idea.
I
Okay.
turn this.
All right.
Oh, that turned it off, actually. Now the batteries are fine.
All right,
Oh,
so
you're
you can
not
leave it like that? You don't have to take
No, I
batteries
can
out?
leave it like
Yeah.
that.
Okay,
See,
cool.
this is
Bob,
where
thank you.
this is where the key belongs on something
Yeah,
like this because
yeah.
you're not going to lose this.
Yeah.
She
You know,
gives me this little chain thing, and that was my mistake. I
Fun
should've
thing
never-
to do, I'm going to loan it to you guys, is to take it to the beach.
Oh, he's
That's
always-
where I found all the money.
What's
Well,
the
the
nicest
Seagate.
thing you ever found?
A ring.
How much was it worth?
I brought it back to Holiday Inn.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a good man.
Yeah, and the good part was there was a woman that had been there 2 weeks ago and left a message. Her husband made a drawing of the ring, and that was it. And they sent me a nice note,
nice.
you know. I knew it was a personal item.
Yeah.
The
of
money
course.
I kept. I was good for $5 or $6 in 10, 15 minutes. That was it. I'd go where they set up
Right.
out there.
It's like the Seagate Club's a good
Exactly.
spot too. You know that
Exactly.
grouping
Oh, you-
all over a weekend.
yeah. So who's going to go to the Seagate and who's going to go to the beach? Here it is.
Okay, give it to me.
It'd be fun.
We're going to make money. This is my new investment.
Because there's 2 dogs in there.
Thanks, Bob.
Yeah.
And I'd be like having to break
Dave?
through the door. Thank you.
Bam.
All right.